Welcome back to Diamond Food Review. Lunchables. Are they even worth it? So these are the Lunchables crispy road sandwiches. Okay. I've seen people just buying these off of the shelves there at the grocery store. So I've seen them advertised. If you like a grilled cheese, it might be a quick meal. So we're going to dive into it and see what it looks like, see what it tastes like. The instructions say, so remove the plastic wrapper, microwave on high for about 60 seconds, let it cool for about 60 seconds. So this is what it looks like. I paid $5.99 for these. So let's take a look and see what they look like in here. I've never had these before. So that's what it looks like in the package there. Okay, so you do it on the tray. Within here, we put this inside there. This is what it looks like. I'm wearing my chef's hat today because we're doing some cooking. And I'm going to do this. We're going to stick it in the microwave, and we'll be right back. And we're back. All right, so I stuck it in for longer than the 60 seconds. After looking at it for 60 seconds, it seems soggy, and that part actually cooks the top portion of it, and it wasn't fully cooked. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It'll come out. It's stuck to the bottom. Actually, that's a good thing. Okay, here's this. This is what it looks like. This is the Lunchables. Grilled cheese, just for a quick snack, quick meal. Let's cut into it. It's definitely hot. You see the cheese in there. It's definitely baked in there. Let's bite into it and see what it tastes like. What can I say? It's processed food. That's frozen. So when I bite into it, the texture is very tough, very hard. I did stick it in for the 1 minute per the instructions, but it was just too soggy, so I stuck it in for about another 30 seconds. Maybe I could have taken it out just a little bit sooner, maybe half the time, maybe 15 seconds. But I don't taste too much of the cheese, but when I bite into it, it's the bread that I'm tasting. It's just tough. That's really, it's just, there's really not too much there. For $5, it's not, what can you say, it's processed food. Quick snack on a scale of 1 to 10, I give it maybe a 6. So, and there you have it. Thanks for tuning in. God bless you next time.